Nerd Center opened in March of 2020, but it actually started out as an idea. So in about April 2019, my partner Nati Kabade and I had this idea about creating a website where we could do-it-yourself videos and have young people in Ethiopia learn different skills in their own languages. Over time, this idea evolved into what is now the Nerd Center. It's a makerspace for young engineers and people's ideas to experiment, to build their own prototypes. It's also a research and development center, so a place where we're trying to privatize research and development.
Why nerd? So being an engineer and not having resources regarding the workshop resources so that we as engineers start working on our project and develop technology has been a challenge for us. So that was the main motivation for us to start the space. This is a place for graduated engineers, students, not just that, anyone with a hobby and passion for technology to come here and develop a technology. And we make sure we provide every necessary resource for them to actually research and develop any kind of website.
The Ethiopian Ventilator project was inspired by the need to contribute something to the battle against COVID-19 virus. So far, we've done 3 prototypes of oxygen ventilators that are inspired by a design that was open sourced by a company called Protify.xyz in Spain. These 3 prototypes are different versions of the same project that have different modifications and functionalities, increasing with each step. We are now working on something new that is closer to the actual ventilator and that can actually be used as a product even after COVID-19 has passed. So this is what we're doing now.
Ventilator is a mechanical device that moves breathable air into and out of a human lung. This is very useful for people or patients who are partially or fully unable to breathe. During this period when the pandemic is expanding, we're going to need more ventilators. This is because the coronavirus affects the human lung tissues, which makes it unable for a patient to properly breathe.
Due to design constraints and limitation of material resources, mainly we used MDF, which is a wood material, and foam board. We chose these materials because they are locally available and they can be sanitized during the medical operation. But in time, we're planning to use more optimum and medically graded equipment in the materials.
Impact for this project, we expect 2 outcomes of this project. The first one is for those in need of mechanical ventilation. We want our product to be there to serve them life. And the second one, which we focus more is in breaking the mentality that Ethiopian engineers and local innovators can come up with a product that can be well equipped and resourceful to the whole world, not just Ethiopia.
The money from this crowdsourcing campaign, we hope to hire more researchers, buy more industrial level equipment, and make this space a stronger space for young innovators to be able to create a positive impact and build more towards the future.
Your contribution will also stimulate future projects in technologies such as G-code-based machines, smart vehicles, industrial robots, and drones.
New era research and development.